Okay, Love Me Tender starts on low C. Lift this finger to go to F. So C, F, E, F, G, D, G. So that's the first part. Then the next section starts on F again, goes back to E, F, E, D, E, F, C. So that's measures 3 and 4. Then it repeats. Then you take the second ending, so you move to F. That's the first line. So then you go to measure 6 and it's just A, and you have those dotted half notes. Measure 8 and 9 is just A, G, F, G, A. Then that brings you to 9 and 10, or 10 and 11. 10 and 11 starts on A, and you have to switch to B flat. So from A to B flat, you might practice that a little bit. So here's measure 10 and 11. A, B flat, A, G, D, G. Not too hard, I'll play it for you. Last two measures, measures 12 and 13, start on F. So it's F, E, and then you go to A, G, F. So it's just right down the scale. F, E, A, G, F. I'll play it. I'll play the whole song. There you go. Love Me Tender, pretty easy. Just make sure C to F, and then that A to B flat. That's probably the trickiest part of the whole piece. Once you get those done, pretty easy, and it's not very fast, so don't rush through it. Good luck.